Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
How external threats occur. External threats in cybersecurity occur when malicious actors from outside an organization exploit vulnerabilities or use various techniques to compromise the security of systems and data. These threats can include malware attacks, where attackers distribute malicious software through infected email, or compromised websites aiming to gain unauthorized access, steal data, or disrupt operations. Phishing and social engineering tactics are also employed, tricking individuals into revealing sensitive information or performing actions that aid in the attacker's objectives. Additionally, attackers target software vulnerabilities, exploiting weaknesses in systems, applications, or networks to gain unauthorized access or control. This lesson we'll learn about 1. Malicious software malware. 2. Hacking by individuals, companies, and governments. 3. Sabotage by individuals, terrorist organizations, companies, and governments. 4. Social engineering techniques used to deceive people into giving out information. Malicious software. Malicious software, also known as malware, is a significant threat in cybersecurity that poses serious risks to organizations and individuals. Malware refers to any software specifically designed to cause harm, compromise security, or gain unauthorized access to systems or data. It encompasses various types, including viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, spyware, and adware. Below are some examples of the types of malware you can encounter. 1. Viruses. Viruses are self-replicating programs that attach themselves to executable files or documents. They can spread from one computer to another and cause damage by corrupting files, disrupting system operations, or stealing data. 2. Worms. Worms are standalone programs that replicate and spread across networks without the need for user interaction. They exploit security vulnerabilities to infect computers, consume network bandwidth, and often carry payloads that can be malicious. 3. Trojans. Trojans appear as legitimate or desirable software but contain hidden malicious functionality. They trick users into executing them, allowing attackers to gain unauthorized access, steal sensitive information, or enable remote control of the infected system. 4. Ransomware. Ransomware encrypts files on a victim's system, rendering them inaccessible. Attackers demand a ransom payment in exchange for the decryption key, holding the victim's data hostage. 5. Spyware. Spyware is designed to secretly gather information about a user's activities, such as keystrokes, browsing history, or login credentials. This information is then sent to the attacker, compromising privacy and potentially leading to identity theft or financial fraud. 2. Hacking. Hacking refers to the unauthorized access, manipulation, or exploitation of computer systems, networks, or software, often with malicious intent. It involves the use of technical skills, knowledge, and tools to breach security measures and gain unauthorized control or access to sensitive information. Hacking can encompass a wide range of activities, including exploiting vulnerabilities in software, networks, or devices, bypassing access controls, stealing data, disrupting services, or compromising the privacy and security of individuals or organizations. While some hackers may engage in ethical hacking or cybersecurity research to identify vulnerabilities and help improve security, unauthorized hacking is illegal and can result in severe consequences. 3. Sabotage. Sabotage refers to the deliberate and malicious act of intentionally causing harm, damage, or disruption to systems, processes, or organizations. It involves actions aimed at undermining or disabling the normal functioning of operations. often with the intent to inflict financial, reputational, or operational harm. Sabotage can take various forms, such as altering or deleting critical data, introducing malicious code or malware, disrupting network or system availability, or manipulating systems to cause errors or failures. Perpet. 4. Social engineering. Social engineering refers to the manipulation of individuals to gain unauthorized access or obtain sensitive information. It involves exploiting human psychology, trust, and natural inclination to help or comply with requests. Attackers use various tactics, such as impersonation, phishing, pretexting, or baiting, to deceive targets. This could include impersonating a trusted authority or organization, creating deceptive emails or websites, or luring victims with enticing offers or rewards. The goal is to manipulate individuals into revealing confident information, sharing passwords, or unknowingly installing malware. Social engineering attacks are effective because they exploit the weakest link in security: human behavior. Even though the phishing attempts tend to be poorly worded, there will be an effort made for the emails and web pages to appear legitimate, and inexperienced computer users can easily fall for them.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.